I love to cook, but cleaning up a huge mess is the last thing I want to do. I think a one-pot meal just makes cooking that much easier. So all these flavors are mixing together while they're cooking at the same time. It's not just the slow cooker.
With one-pot meals, it's all about the vessel, from the cast iron pan to the parchment paper or the foil in the bag.
When I heard one-pot meals, I no way thought fresh salmon with lemon and fresh asparagus, the chili with the brisket in there.
We actually rubbed it with all the spices and put it all in the pot.
I didn't know I can make an entire roast chicken and all the sides I need on one sheet pan.
Dylan Dreyer.
Look at that.
So many people don't know that cast iron can go sweet. I love making this amazing pineapple upside down cake.
The fact that we are making a lasagna in a nonstick pan and just a nonstick pan is amazing. Is this enough cheese?
I mean, it's a cheese lasagna with a side of meat sauce now.
They're very simple, they're very easy, and there's not a lot of cleanup.
One-pot cooking to me is family. It's one dish, less time in the kitchen, and it allows us to get back with each other.